Hello everyone, in this video we will be reviewing the frequently asked questions about the endocrine system. Question number 1. The melatonin hormone is secreted by which endocrine gland? A. Hypothalamus, B. Pineal gland, C. Pituitary gland, D. Parathyroid gland. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Pineal gland. You can see the pineal gland here is the smallest endocrine gland located in the brain that produces and secretes melatonin. Melatonin's primary function is to regulate sleep-wake cycles, that is circadian rhythms. Question number 2. The adrenal gland belongs to which system? A. Endocrine, B. Lymphatic, C. Nervous, D. Digestive system. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Endocrine system. The adrenal glands, also known as suprarenal glands, are the part of the endocrine system. They sit atop the kidneys and produce essential hormones such as cortisol, aldosterone, and epinephrine, that is adrenaline, and norepinephrine, which regulate metabolism, blood pressure, and the body's response to stress. Question number 3. Which hormone is responsible for controlling blood sugar levels? A. Estrogen, B. Testosterone, C. Insulin, D. Thyroxine. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Insulin. Insulin is the primary hormone secreted by the pancreas that lowers the blood sugar levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells and storage as glycogen. Question number 4. What is the primary function of the hormone glucagon? A. Lowers the blood sugar levels, B. Raises blood sugar levels, C. Regulates calcium levels, D. Stimulates growth. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Raises blood sugar levels. It acts opposite to the insulin. So glucagon secreted by the pancreas is an antagonistic hormone to insulin. Its primary function is to raise blood sugar levels. Question number 5. Typically, how many parathyroid glands are embedded in the posterior surface of the thyroid gland? A2, B3, C4, D6. Think the answer. The correct answer is C4. You can see the parathyroid glands are at the back of the thyroid gland. There are usually 4 small parathyroid glands, 2 superior and 2 inferior, located on the back of the thyroid gland. Question number 6. Which hormone is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics? A. Estrogen, B. Progesterone, C. Testosterone, D. Prolactin. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Estrogen. The estrogen is the main hormone responsible for the development and maintenance of female reproductive structures and secondary sexual characteristics. Question number 7. In females, the ovaries produce which hormones? A. Estrogen and progesterone, B. Testosterone and estrogen, C. Insulin and glucagon, D. Cortisol and adrenaline. Think the answer. The correct answer is A. Estrogen and progesterone. The ovaries are primarily source of the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. The ovaries also produce small amounts of testosterone. You can see in the picture the main hormones produced by the ovaries are estrogen and progesterone, and little amount of testosterone and anti-Mullerian hormones and inhibin A and inhibin B. Question number 8. The adrenal glands are located on top of which organs in the human body? A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Lungs, D. Heart. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Kidneys. As I said earlier, the adrenal glands or the suprarenal glands are named for their location situated directly superior to the kidneys. Question number 9. Which hormone is responsible for stimulating red blood cell production in bone marrow? A. Insulin, B. Thyroxine, C. Cortisol, D. Erythropoietin. Think the answer. The correct answer is D. Erythropoietin. So erythropoietin is primarily produced by the kidneys and some are from the liver and stimulates the bone marrow to increase the production of red blood cells. That is called erythropoiesis. Question number 10. Which hormone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? A. Estrogen, B. Progesterone, C. Testosterone, D. Prolactin. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Testosterone. Testosterone is the main androgen produced by the testes that is responsible for the development and maintenance of male secondary sexual characteristics. Question number 11. The master gland that controls many other endocrine glands is the A. Thyroid gland, B. Adrenal gland, C. Pituitary gland, D. Pancreas. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, often called as the master gland because it secretes numerous hormones that regulate the function of other endocrine glands such as the thyroid glands, adrenal glands, and gonads. Question number 12. The primary function of the endocrine system is to A. Transport oxygen to the body tissues, B. Regulate body temperature, C. Coordinate body activities through hormones, D. Control voluntary muscle movements. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Coordinate body activities through hormones. The endocrine system uses chemical messengers called hormones released into the blood system to regulate and coordinate body activities over long distances and extended periods. Question number 13. Where is the thyroid gland located? A in the abdomen, B in the chest, C in the neck, D behind the liver. So it's a straightforward question. So the correct answer is C in the neck. The thyroid gland is situated in the anterior lower part of the neck, wrapped around the trachea. Question number 14. Which gland is considered both an endocrine and exocrine gland? That's a mixed gland. A. Thyroid gland, B. Pituitary gland, C. Pancreas, D. Parathyroid gland. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Pancreas. So you can see pancreas is a mixed gland. Its exocrine function is the production of digestive enzymes such as protease, amylase, and lipase. And its endocrine function is the secretion of insulin, glucagon, and other hormones. Question number 15. The hypothalamus has a critical role in the endocrine system by producing hormones that primarily regulate the activity of the A. Adrenal glands, B. Pituitary gland, C. Thymus gland, D. Pancreas. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Pituitary gland. So there is an axis called hypothalamus pituitary axis. The hypothalamus is the major link between the nervous and the endocrine systems and controls the anterior pituitary by secreting, releasing, and inhibiting hormones. Bonus question. The endocrine function of the pancreas, which includes the secretion of insulin and glucagon, is performed by the clusters of cells called the A. Acini cells, B. Islets of Langerhans, C. Pancreatic ducts, D. Hepatic cords. So please leave your answer in the comment section, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments. My channel offers guidance for the medical coding, especially to help you to prepare for the AAPC CPC examination. If you have any issues, please feel free to ask me. You can leave your questions in the comment sections, or you can email or WhatsApp me using the details displayed here. If you feel this channel is useful, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.